Hello mga Himantayan friends and family. So here I am again. So for today's video, I'll just change the bed sheet kay murag dugay-dugay na jud niwa na to mapalitan ba. So karon na nakahiga yun og change sa bed sheet. So while the kids are asleep and it's actually 3 a.m. in the morning, so I get the chance to at least change this while the kids are sleeping. Kasi during daytime, you won't be able to do this kind of stuff dahil maya-maya tatawagin ka nila for whatever they need. So, ginagawa ko na lang itong mga ganitong gawain during weekends and kapag tulog na yung mga kids. Because when they're asleep, I get to do little tasks such as this, ang magpalit ng bedsheet. And it's therapeutic for me. Nalimpyo nga bedsheet na. Ang gamiton for this week. Medyo struggle usahay magpalit kung ikaw ar usa. But it's fulfilling when you get to clean up the bed and have a new bed sheets. So, ayun lang naman ang ginawa ko. I can't change the pillowcases yet dahil nasa sala kami natutulog ngayon. Hindi kami nag-aircon kasi, it's bare months. So, medyo lumalamig na. So, it's okay to just use the electric fan at makatipid kahit paano sa Meralco bill. That's spiking up again. So, yun lang naman. Wala talaga ako maisip i-voice over eh. I have no kwento to share. Lobat ang utak. Charot. So, ayan, kinakabit ko na yung mga clipped. Para hindi matanggal agad ang bedsheet kapag hinigaan mo na. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Kung gusto nyo ng link, yan. So, ayan. Finish na siya. Finally, nakapagpalit na rin ng bedsheet. Nilatag ko na. So, tomorrow ko na papalitan yung mga pillowcases because the kids are using it. We are using it. In the sala, they're sleeping at the moment. So, it feels good. The bedsheets are newly changed. Preskong matulog. Although recently, or rather lately, hindi talaga kami rito sa kwarto natutulog kasi nga when you're here, you need to really put on the aircon. Pero pag sa sala, naka-electric fan lang kasi malamig na nga these days since it's bare months already. So, hindi na kailangan magpa-aircon pa. Makatipid man lang kahit papano. So, nothing really fancy, guys. This is just a video of changing the bed sheet. I'm just taking this opportunity to be able to change it while the kids are asleep. And like I said, it's 3 a.m. I've slept the whole day, so that's why I'm up to this time. But this is just what I did. Clean up the room lang a little bit. But there's still really so many kalats around. I'm up to do a lot of things tomorrow. So, pinabawasan ko lang yung gawain ko. Para bukas. So anyway, maura to. I have really nothing much to share. It's just about me changing bedsheet. This weekend at 3 a.m. in the morning because this is the best time that I will be able to do this without having the kids roaming around the room with me. So yeah, there you go. You have a good weekend, everyone, and hope you watch this video. Have a good one and take care. Bye!